Subscribe the Biology channel and press the bell icon.
The flow of energy in an ecosystem. In a food chain which provides energy is transferred from one trophic level to another. Thus, the energy is used to convey it from one trophic to another. This process is called flow of energy. Studies of various food chains shows that the energy available at each successive level is 10% of previous level. This is called 10% law. In the given illustration, 1000 joule of energy is available to plants from the sun. Plants convert 1% of this energy into chemical energy. Thus, 10 joule of energy is stored in plants. This energy is available to herbivores. Herbivores retain 10% of 10 joule, that is 1 joule as stored energy, and 9 joule of energy would be lost to environment. Thus, only 1 joule energy would be available to carnivores as food. The flow of energy in living component of biosphere is unidirectional. The energy enters the living component from non-living environment through photosynthesis. The radiant energy of sun converted into chemical energy is never converted back into radiant energy, but is emitted into atmosphere as a heat at every step. The energy transfer in biosphere in the food chain obey the law of thermodynamics. The first law of thermodynamics says that energy can be converted from one form to another form but can never be created or destroyed. According to second law of thermodynamics, energy transmission is never completely efficient, not 100%. Whenever energy is transferred from one form to another form, there is a decreased amount of useful. A part of energy is converted into heat energy. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and comment our video.